Is probably one of the best buys that you can get for the price. Alright, so there's not too much to go over with these paddle shifter paddles. They came black, and these are really nice. They have a nice weight to them. They feel solid. They don't feel cheap at all. However, they were cheap. I think I only paid like $20 for these off of Amazon, and I gotta say, this is probably one of the best buys that you can get for the price. I mean, typically on any other site you get paddle shifter paddles and they're like $70-$80. These are $20 for these, and I'm telling you, these feel really nice. If you order these for $20, you'll be shocked at how good this feels for $20. I certainly was. I was super surprised. I was expecting it to feel cheap and everything, but not at all. So obviously there's not too much involved with this, so peel off the stickers from the double-sided tape and slap them on the paddle shifters. So we'll see how that looks. So obviously I painted these, but not too heavy wood chips. I should be wearing a mask, because that stinks. Alright, so I think for these I'm going to hit the other side, except I don't want to put the fresh painted side on that nasty wood. So alright, we'll let that sit for a while. My nice orange accent color, which now it's funny because I've been doing this color for a couple of years now, and now it's funny that the Mach 1 has like the same exact orange that I've been doing for a while now, and that's pretty cool. Let's see that the orange is getting some love, because I really do like the scheme of orange and black. So this is tough with one hand. Maybe this will be a better, there, maybe use two hands there. All right, and then trying to see what I'm doing. I would definitely prefer this to be hidden. Like, it would be nice if this had a cavity that this plastic piece could go into. It also would make it probably stay on here a lot better. You wouldn't have to rely on the double-sided tape as much. But it is what it is, and it looks cool. Looks good. Obviously, somewhat obviously, I guess, you don't really want to probably. Oop. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so obviously don't press up here. Maybe we let it seal a little bit, and we'll do the other one now. it would have been so much nicer if Ford just did this right out of the box, you know? And I know a lot of people say that about everything. Oh, this is how it should have came from the factory. This is how it should have came from the factory. This is how it should have came from the factory. Yeah, you know, we hear that a lot from a lot of people. Anytime you feel something good, oh, this is how it should have came from the factory. And I agree a lot of times. This definitely should have came from the factory. Paddles like these, the way that this feels is really nice instead of these plastic things. They look cool though, I guess. I like them. It would have been nice to have a different steering wheel. That's something I would love to get, but I don't know how many more upgrades I'm going to be doing to this car. Anyway, I think that looks really cool. So hopefully they don't fall down when I'm driving. I'll let you know if they do. Like I said, definitely worth the $20.